Good morning, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? You okay? So I had no idea that Burger King did breakfast. No idea whatsoever. So I don't know what's on the menu, but we've tried most other places, so let's go see what Burger King can offer us. See you in there. Right, we're going to eat in and we're going to go for the breakfast. So they do a bacon butty meal, $3.49, sausage butty meal, $3.49, bacon butty, $3.29, sausage butty, $3.29, bacon and egg sandwich, $4.49, bacon egg butty, $4.29. I think we're going to go for the Breakfast King deal. Okay, we're just going to have it as it comes actually. So we're going to have a tomato sauce. We're going to add some hash browns for 99p, which sounds good to me. Right, we're going to have a drink as well. Is it too early to have a shake? Let's see. Yeah, we'll have one of those. So we've got the Breakfast King deal. That comes with hash browns for 99p and a regular chocolate milkshake. Okay, let's try that.
All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel.
So I'm a little bit annoyed because it doesn't give you a receipt. So I like to go through the receipt and see what we've ordered. And I'm just logged on to try and refresh my memories to what we ordered. And for some reason, the app's not showing the breakfast menu. Okay, so we've ordered the Breakfast King breakfast deal. So I think it's a sausage patty with just egg on it on a batch. So we'll see what that's like. We've ordered some extra hash browns and the milk chocolate. So in total, it came to £9.48. So straight away, it's a lot more expensive than Mackey's. So I'm expecting big things. Come on, Burger King, don't let me down. Make it great. Let's see when it gets here. Okay, so disaster struck already because you don't have milkshake. So we've got a cup of tea. They've just given me like tea bag and some water, so we'll see what this is like. Yeah, so that is just boiling water. Got to put your own tea bag in apparently. Am I being mean here? But you would have thought they'd at least put the tea bag in, surely. Making your own tea apparently. We'll leave that brewing. Right, so let's have a look at the breakfast. That's what we're here for. So this is what it looks like. We just turn you around. We've got these bite things here. So in all fairness, there's quite a few of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then we've got this thing here. So let's unwrap this.
Play on, yeah, I need you to play on. You, 'cause my heart is on hold on, so I need you to play on.
So you've got the batch here. You've got the bacon. Looks like that's a bit of an omelette. Massive sausage patty on the bottom, isn't it? And some red sauce. So you guys know what I'm going to say straight away. Just no serviettes. And no additional tomato sauce offered for the hash browns. Okay, so the hash browns. They are nice. They're just very dry without anything to dip them in. Yeah, just very dry. They are hot though, but they're greasy and there's just no serviettes. So this is becoming a proper bugbearer of mine now. McDonald's give you serviettes. Popeye Chicken, when we went in there, gave me a bunch of serviettes because these places realise they're serving greasy food and you don't want to sit here with greasy hands. KFC, which serves some of the greasiest food I've ever known, no serviettes. Burger King, no serviettes. Why? Anyway, positives. Hash browns so far, definitely tasty, just there's nothing to dip them in. It'd be nicer if you had like a dip. Okay, let's look at this. So you can see, it's pretty big, isn't it? But when I'm looking at it, it looks like all the tomato sauce is already soaked into everything, so I'm a bit worried that this might be dry as well. No, it's not dry actually, it's nice. Look at that. So I'm definitely impressed with the size. It's a big size, isn't it, for a breakfast? I think if you put this side by side with the Mackey's McMuffin or something like that, this would be half the size again, if not more. But again, it's dearer, so you'd expect it to be. Second bite, it is nice. The egg's nice and warm inside it. The bacon's tasty actually. So the bacon's got cheese on it. Let me just show you. So in an ideal world, I'd like a little bit more sauce on it, but it is tasty. I would say the sausage patty is twice as big as the McDonald's one. And it's quite thick as well. I'll show you a bit of it there. It does taste like everything's cooked fresh. What I really like about it is the bacon taste. It's almost got like a maple flavour to it. There's a sweetness in there somewhere. It is nice, but £9.49 for a breakfast and you don't get any serviettes or anything to dip your hash brown bites in. And you go make your own tea. Am I just getting moody at my old age? I'm definitely disappointed they ran out of the milkshake, so I was looking forward to trying that. I'll have to come back and try that. I do like a good milkshake, so it's absolutely filling. So we've got the teeth left to drink, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these hash brown bites, but I'm not sure I'm going to eat them. They're just really, really dry without anything to dip them in. What is weird, you've got these little flat ones, you've got these round ones. I don't know what the difference is. Okay, so I did eat the hash browns. They're alright. Again, little things, something to dip them in, serviettes to clean your greasy hands would make this experience 10 times better. I'm probably not having to make your own drink. Let's see how we get on with this actually. What kind of tea is it? I don't even know. So, PG Tips tea. Put some of this milk in. I hate this milk. Milk should never come in a sachet, but we'll soldier on. I feel like I'm at home making my own tea. It's ridiculous. So I don't normally order tea when I'm out. I normally order coffee. I'm trying to cut down on my caffeine intake. So this may be normal. I might just be being moody. Let's try it. Yeah, that milk's grim. Absolutely grim. It was only nice IP for an add-on, so I can't moan too much. Would have preferred the chocolate milkshake though. What is it with these places that whenever you come here, the milkshake machine is always broke? The Mackey's in Chester, it's literally 50% of the time that milkshake machine doesn't work. If I was to start my own business, it would be inventing a milkshake machine that just operates all the time and doesn't break down. There's a business idea. Right, let's finish off this cup of tea and I'll give you my final thoughts outside. So here we are, final thoughts. So the food itself is very nice. I can't complain about the food. It's just the little things that ruined it for me. So the lack of a serviette. So you sat there with greasy hands throughout, feeling dirty. They're having to make your own cup of tea. That's probably normal. It's probably me being weird, but I just didn't like that. The hash browns that didn't come with any sauce and were greasy again with no serviette. Just the little things, a lack of attention. In terms of the food quality though, you can't fault it. That sausage pate was lovely. It was cooked lovely. It felt like it'd been on a griddle. It had that like nice griddle taste to it. The omelette on it was fresh and fluffy and warm. The bacon was lovely. The bacon was actually really nice. It almost had like a sweet taste to it. And the actual batch and the tomato sauce, it was all lovely. It's just the price. You've got to think for that price range, you get a McDonald's for half the price, or you go to Wetherspoons. Wetherspoons would cook you a really nice muffin for literally £4 that will come with unlimited hot drinks from a drinks machine where you get coffees, chocolates, mochas. So that's what they've got to bear in mind. So they need to be careful because they're charging a £10 price point for that breakfast, and it's probably not as nice as the Wetherspoons, and it's a lot dearer. So all in all, can I recommend the Burger King breakfast? I don't think I'd go for that option again. Just too dear for what you get. It really is. And it is nice. It's just, is it nice for that money? Probably not. Would I go there again? So if I'm in a town and I've got a Wetherspoons, I've got a Mackey's, and I've got a Burger King, and I've got £10 to spend, where would I go? I'd go to Wetherspoons if I'm being honest. Anyway, that's it for me. That's my final thoughts. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please give us a like and subscribe because we're a small channel and every single comment, like and subscribe means the world to us at the moment. Well, it always will. We always appreciate your support. I like the way I'm saying we. I always appreciate your support. There is just me here. I haven't got a team of people. It's just one middle-aged man in Chester with a pocket-free camera. So your support would be greatly appreciated. And also, if this is your first time on the channel, I checked out the Burger King £14 Ragu burger yesterday. So that video should be around here somewhere, so go check it out. Okay, so see you guys next time. Take it easy.